In this video I'm going to show you that how you can add any reels on your Instagram story. So what you need to do first is first go to your Instagram account, then after that you have to go to on reels, then you can choose pretty much any reel that you want to add on your Instagram story. Please watch the full video to solve your problem, and please leave a like on this video. So what you need to do next is select any of reel. Then what you need to do is click on the third option in the right corner in after the comment section, like that, right here. Then you have to click on this. After that you can pretty much send this reel to your friends or family. Then we need to do, add this reel to our Instagram story. So what you need to do next is click on this third option, like that, add to story. Then what you need to do, you have to click on this last option, this icon. Then here you can share this reel on your Instagram story. So this is how you can share any reel on your Instagram story. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.